Hello friends, in this video we will discuss employment news weekly 21st August to 27 August 2021 in details in English. And dear subscribers, if you want to see this week employment newspaper in English in shorts, link has been given in the description box. And friends, also if you want to see this week employment newspaper in Rozgar Samachar in Hindi in shorts and in details, links have been given in the description box. Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You are watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. Let's start employment news weekly New Delhi 21st to 27 August 2021 in details. Career in Library and Information Science by Vijay Prakash Srivastava. Trilochan Pokhrel, unsung hero who pioneered Swadeshi movement in Sikkim by Dr. Ranjan Upadhyay and Professor Vinod Bhattarai. This week job highlights means 21st to 27 August employment news job highlights are as follows. Dear subscribers, first job highlights is from UBI. Union Bank of India invites online applications for recruitment of 120 posts in specialized segments. Last date 3rd September 2021. Second, NTPC. NTPC Limited invites application for medical and finance professionals. Last date 2nd September 2021. Icon International Limited invites application for engagement of apprentices as per Apprenticeship Act 1961. Last date 13 September 2021. Indian Air Force invites application for direct recruitment of Group C civilian post. Last date 30 days from the date of publications. We will discuss these all job highlights later in details. Take the first department, career opportunity in REC Limited. REC Limited is Navratna Public Sector Enterprises. So, application are invited for the assistant officer, administration and liaison. Number of post 2, unreserved, upper age limit is 40 years. Prescribed minimum qualifications and educational qualifications, regular full-time graduate or equivalent from a recognized institute or university with the first division or equivalent CGPA. Desirable additional qualifications in human resources, corporate communication and public relations, hotel management, public administration, etc. Nature of experience is required. 12 years experience is required in licensing. Eligibility and disqualifications. Nationality, only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Educational qualifications, if we talk, then the educational qualifications given in the table above, which is regular full-time graduate or equivalent from a recognized institute. Age limit is as per age relaxations as per government and rules and norms. If we talk about the important dates, this is the commencement of online application for the above post is by 4 August 2021 and last date online applications and fee payment means closing of application date is 3rd September 2021. Last date of receipt of application in hard copy along with the enclosures by 13 September 2021. Next department, Government of India, Ministry of Textile, Office of the Jute Commissioner, Kolkata. It is the for filling of one post for the Assistant Director, Jute Manufacturing, Group A gazetted, pay level will be 10 in the pay matrix and in the Office of Jute Commissioner, Kolkata regarding. For above, this last date of applications is by 21st October 2021. For more details, rules and norms, please visit his official website jutecom.gov.in. Next department, Government of India, Department of Post, Office of the Chief Postmaster General, Haryana Circle. Applications are invited for the post of Postal Assistant and Sorting Assistant. Number of vacancies 28. Pay level will be 4. Educational qualifications required for Postal Assistant or Sorting Assistant 12th standard pass from a recognized board or equivalent. Second post is Postman Mail Guard. Number of vacancies 18. Pay level will be 3. Educational qualifications require 12th standard pass from a recognized board or university. Third post is LDC in PAO. Number of vacancies 1. Pay level 2. 12th standard pass. Fourth vacancy is multitasking staff means MTS. Number of posts 28. Level 1. 10th standard pass from a recognized university. Dear subscribers, for above all these posts, you have to submit your applications online by 29 September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.indiapost.gov.in or www.haryanapostcircle.gov.in. Application will be commenced from 21st August 2021. Next vacancy from Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage. It is the post for Data Processing Assistant, Group B gazetted non-ministerial post is there. Pay level will be 7, number of post 1. Last date for this receipt of application for Data Processing Assistant in Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage is 45 days from the date of publishing of this advertisement in the newspaper. For more details, please visit his official website ppqs.gov.in. It is offline mode, so you have to download the application performer from this official website and send it in the given address within the 45 days. Next department and vacancy from CSIR, National Institute of Oceanography. It is the post for Kanisht Sachivalaya Sahayak, Junior Secretariat Assistant and Junior Secretariat Assistant for the Finance and Account and General and Junior Assistant Secretariat Assistant for Stores and Purchase. Number of vacancies 7, 3 and 5 respectively. Pay level will be 2 for all these posts. Maximum upper age limit is 28 years for unreserved. The last date of this receipt applications, and for more details and norms, please visit his official website www.nlo.org. Next vacancy from Union Public Service Commission. It is an advertisement for Engineering Service Examination 2021. The written result of the Engineer Service Preliminary Examination 2021 have been declared by the commissions, and the same is available on the commission's website upsc.gov.in. Next vacancy from the Defense Research and Development Organization Regional Center of Military Airworthiness, that is the RCMA Nasik. Applications are invited by these for the post of Junior Research Fellow. Number of post 1. Subject and discipline from Mechanical Engineering. If we talk about the educational qualifications for Junior Research Fellow, graduate degree in professional course, BE, BTech in Mechanical Engineering, discipline in first division with NET or GATE exams, or postgraduate degree in professional courses, ME and MTech. Upper age limit is 28 years. Applications for the post of the JRF. So friends, you have to send the applications offline mode only. And written on the envelope application for the post of JRF. Next vacancy from Staff Selection Commission, Department of Personnel and Training, New Delhi. It is the for one post for the caretaker, one post for headquarter of Staff Selection Commission, New Delhi. Pay band will be 1 with the grade pay of 2,800 per month grade pay. Eligibility: holding an analogous post for a regular basis with 2 years regular service in the post within the old pay band 1. So friends, for more details, please visit his official website ssc.nic.in for caretaker post. Next information from official entry, that is the from Join Indian Army. Online applications are invited for the Technical Graduate Course TGC 134 scheduled in Jan 2021. Applications are open from, that is from 17 August 2021 to 15 September 2021. Next vacancy from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Department of Health and Family Welfare, New Delhi. It is for the proposed the fill one post for the manager grade 2 in pay level 6, that is from 35,400 to 1,12,400 per month. So friends, last date for applying for this for manager post grade 2 in Department of Health and Family Welfare, that is the 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment newspaper. It is offline mode, You have to apply offline. You have to type this performer, attach all the documents, fill it carefully and send it on given date, means before 60 days you have to send on given address. Next vacancy from Central Medical Service Society. It is a vacancy announcement for the post of Administrative Officer, number of post 1. Educational qualifications required for Administrative Officer, that is a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. 10 years work experience is required of administration and establishment in work in supervisory capacity of in central or state government or public sector undertaking of autonomous body of central state government. Strong computer skill is required, MS Office and MS Excel and PowerPoint. GFR knowledge of desirable. Second post is warehouse management pharmacist. Number of post 2. Essential qualifications B Pharma from a recognized university. Computer knowledge must and experience in drug storage and distributions. Third post is manager, that is logistic and supply chain management. Number of post 2. Essential qualifications for manager logistic and supply chain management is any social from any science graduate or B Pharma or B Tech or BCA, MBA, NCA from a recognized university. At least 2 years post qualification experience is required. Computer knowledge must be. Fourth post is manager quality FON assurance. Number of post 1. Essential qualifications B Pharma, M Pharma from a recognized university. At least 2 years post qualifications experience is required in pharmaceutical work. Fifth post is private secretary to DG and CEO. Number of post 1. Essential qualifications bachelor degree from a recognized university and should have a possession of shorthand typing speed in English with a minimum speed in 100 words per minute and shorthand and 50 words per minute in typing. Should have computer knowledge. 3 years post experience required. So friends, last post is 6, that is office assistant. Number of post 1. Essential qualifications bachelor degree from a recognized university. Should be proficient in shorthand typing in English with minimum speed of 80 words per minute in shorthand and 40 words per minute in typing. At least 2 years experience of working of office, and friends must have computer knowledge or computer literature. Convenient with file and record handlings. For above all these posts, you have to send it offline only mode only. So send it on given address before the due date, which is 6 September 2021. Next department and vacancy from Office of the Joint Commissioner, Kolkata. It is for filling of one post for the Deputy Director Marketing Group A gazetted in pay level 11. Last date for this applying this post is 21st October 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.jutcomm.gov.in, means jutcom.gov.in. Next vacancy from Central Power Research Institute. It is the post for Junior Hindi Translator. Number of vacancies 2. Pay level will be 6. Age limit will be 30 years. For more details, please visit his official website cpri.res.in. Last date for receipt these applications and post for along with relevant copies of testimonials is 10 September 2021. Next vacancy and post from the Central Institute of Psychiatry, Government of India, Jharkhand. It is the post for clinical psychologist. Number of post 1, which is for unreserved. Pay scale will be pay level 7 and qualifications required master degree in psychology or clinical psychology from a recognized university or institute. Master degree of philosophy in medical and social psychology or medical psychology or clinical psychology with 2 years course from a recognized university. Desirable doctorate in clinical psychology from a recognized university or institute. Age limit is there, not exceeding 30 years. Second post for nursing officer in the Central Institute of Psychiatry, Jharkhand. That is the number of post 45. 20 for unreserved, 7 for SC, 3 for ST, 11 for OBC, 4 for EWS and PWD 1 post. Pay level will be 7. Qualifications required BSc Honours in Nursing from a recognized university. 1 year experience minimum, 50 bedded hospital after acquiring the educational qualifications. Age limit is 30 years for general and age relaxation as per the government rules, which is 5 years for SC/ST, 2 years for OBC, and 10 years for physically handicapped, and 15 years for physically handicapped SC/ST, and 13 years for physically handicapped OBC. Next post is, which is number 3rd, assistant psychologist. Number of post 1, which is for unreserved. Pay level will be 6. Educational qualifications, master degree in psychology or clinical psychology. Age limit not exceeding 30 years. 4th number post is pharmacist. Pay scale will be level 5. Number of post 1, which is unreserved. Qualifications required: class 12th pass science with subject from a recognized university, or 2 years diploma in pharmacy from a recognized institute or equivalent. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Next post number 5, needle woman. Number of post 1 for SC candidate only, and scale of pay level 2 as per pay matrix. Friends, qualifications required: class 10th pass, ITI pass in embroidery and needlework trade, and 1 year experience in embroidery and needlework. Age limit is there 30 years for SC only. 6th number post is tailor. Number of post 1 unreserved, scale of pay level 2 as per pay matrix. Qualifications: class 10 pass, ITI pass from a recognized university, or 1 year experience in tailor. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Post number 7 is for cook, that is 1 for unreserved. Pay scale will be pay level 2. Qualifications: class 10th pass, 2 years experience as a cook in canteen of government or private institute. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. So friends, above all these posts, you have to send up applications online mode only, which is official website cipraranchi.nic.in, means cipraNCHI.nic.in, before 21st September 2021. Hard copy of the application form will not be entertained, means it is online mode only. So friends, before due date, you have to submit the applications by 21 September 2021. Next vacancy from National Handicap Finance and Development Corporations, that is Department of Empowerment of PWDs Divyangjan, New Delhi. That is 1 post manager projects, 1 post unreserved. Pay scale will be E2 level, means 50,000 to 1,60,000. Eligibility criteria and qualifications required: PG degree in Science and Commerce and BE MBA from a recognized university. Experience minimum 3 years post qualifications experience is required. 2 years hand experience on computer, or 1 year experience in using computer for project appraisals and monitoring when requiring. Desirable working area is experience of working. Age limit is 40 years. Recruitment is direct recruitment. So friends, it is offline mode only. You have to send the applications, which is given the pro forma, and attach all the documents and send it in by. Applications should be sent reach by before 15 September 2021. Next vacancy from Water Technology Center, ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. Employment notice for walk-in interview base only. So friends, before by 13 September 2021, name of the PL, that is a Dr. Khajanji Lal. Name of the post: Junior Research Fellow 1 post, that is Field Worker Helper 1 post. If we talk about the payment, 31,000 per month plus HRA for 2 years and SRF, and 35,000 PM HRF for 3rd year onwards after assessment. Essential qualifications required for Junior Research Fellow 1 post for Field Worker or Helper, that is BA, MSc, MTech in Soil Science, Agriculture Engineering with a specialization in Soil and Water Conservation Engineering, Water Science and Technology. Candidate having 3 years bachelor degree and 2 years master degree should have qualified UGC, CSIR, GATE exams or PhD in relevant discipline. So friends, skill desirable required: skill in soil, water and waters, wastewater and plant analysis, remote sensing and GIS modeling, computer applications and data analysis. Field data required is required. 1 year post experience is required. Upper age limit is 35 years from man and 40 years for women. So friends, before 13 September you have to apply. An interview date will be on 17 September 2021. Next department, Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, Janpath, New Delhi. Government of India, Ministry of Civil Aviation. Name of the post, Assistant Director. General Center Service Group A service is there. Pay level will be 10. Grade pay 5400. Number of vacancies 10. Second number post, name of the post, Aviation Security Officer / ASO. General Center Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial. Pay level will be 6. Grade pay 4200. Number of vacancies 62. Third number post, Aviation Security Assistant ASA, General Center Groups C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial. Pay level will be 2. Grade pay 1900 as per 7 CPC, pay level 2. Fourth number post, name of the post, Dispatch Rider, General Central Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial post is there. In level pay 2 as per 7 CPC, and pay band and grade pay will be 1900. Number of vacancies 10. Send the application form within the 60 days in the given address. Next vacancy, National Center for Cell Science, Pune. It is advertisement number 2/2021. It is a DBT, National Center for Cell Science, Pune is a premium autonomous, and it is the vacancy for the post of Technical Officer A OBC, which is reserved for 1, and Technician C OBC, which is also reserved for 1 post, and possessing excellent academic records and relevant works in experience. Dear subscribers, if you want to apply for this both post, Technician C and Technician or Technical Officer A grade, then you have to visit the official website nccs.res.in. Last date for this by 31st August 2021. Next vacancy from Maharishi Valmiki College of Education, University of Delhi. It is advertisement number, name of the post, Section Officer Accounts, pay level 7, number of post 1. Librarian Academic, pay level 10, number of post 1. Senior Personal Assistant, PA to Principal, pay level 7, number of post 1. Now, fourth number post, Scientific Assistant, Computer, Senior Technical Assistant, Computer, pay level 6, number of post 1. Fifth number post, Senior Training Assistant, Sports, pay level 6, number of post 1. For more details and to apply, please visit his official website www.mbce.ac.in. Last date of this receipt above all these positions within 15 days from the date of publication in the advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy from Ministry of Civil Aviation, Nagar Vimanan Mahanideshal, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, New Delhi. Vacancy circulations, it is the one post for the Director Aircraft Engineering. Pay level will be 13. Last date 60 days from the date of publications of advertisement in the vacancy in the employment newspaper. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy from Government of India, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, New Delhi. It is the filling of the post for Principal Private Secretary, and Section Officer and Assistant Section Officer as per the vacancy circulations. Last date to apply above all these posts by 5th September 2021. Next vacancy from Choir Board. Notifications A12011 dated 15 July 2020 inviting applications from the eligible candidate filling up the various posts in different categories under the Choir Board. So friends, please visit his official website choirboard.gov.in. Last date of applications is 15 September 2021 and last date of fee payment is applicable by 20 September 2021, which was released in 15 July 2021. Next vacancy from LGB, Regional Institute of Mental Health. It is the vacancy for the post of Medical Superintendent, number of post 1, Project Engineer, number of post 1, Chief Administrative Officer, number of post 1, Accounts Officer, number of post 1, Metro, number of post 1, Assistant Accounts Officer, number of post 1, Assistant Administrative Officer, AAO, number of post 1 on deputation basis. Last date for this above all these posts 6 September 2021. Please visit his official website lgbrimh.gov.in for more details. Next vacancy from Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. It is the vacancy for engagement of 2 accounts and finance managers and engagement of 2 IT managers infrastructures applications. So friends, above all these posts, last date is 3rd September 2021 for submission of applications. Please visit aicofindia.com for more details. Next vacancy and department from Government of India Department of Space, Indian Space Research Organization means ISRO. It is the post for name of post heavy vehicle driver. Pay level will be 2 as per pay matrix and name of the post number is 745. Number of post 1. Educational qualification for heavy vehicle driver is pass SSC and matrix or 10th standards. 5-year experience is required. Second post is light vehicle driver. Group A post is there. Pay level 2 and post code is 746. Educational qualifications pass SSC, 10th standard, 3 years experience required. Next post is cook. Pay level 2. Number of post vacancies is 1. Educational qualifications SSLC or SSC pass. 5-year experience in similar capacity as copied in above. Next post is fireman A. Pay level 2. Post code number is 748. Number of vacancies 2. SLC or SSC pass and should safety the prescribed physical fitness efficiency test standards he should qualify. Next post is catering attendant A. Pay level will be 1. Number of post 1. 1 reserved for PWBD or OH. SSLC and SSC pass is essential qualifications. Minimum age as on 6 September 2021 is 35 years for post above 745, 746 or 747 post code, and for 748 means fireman के लिए it is, and for the post of catering attendant it is age relaxation for 25 years. Last date of submission and starting date is 24 August 2021 to 6 September 2021. Next department Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, वन्य जीव अपराध नियंत्रण ब्यूरो, Government of India. Advertisement number 01/2021. Application are invited for the post of Assistant Director. Number of post 1 post. Classifications General Central Government Service Group A. Pay band 5400. Pay band 3. Grade pay 5400. Eligibility criteria, that is the possessing the bachelor degree from a recognized university. 3 years experience in intelligence and informants of or investigations. Last date for receipt of these applications is 90 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment newspaper. This is the offline mode, so the application be sent to the following address which is given in the description box. Next vacancy from Ministry of Mines, Indian Bureau Mines, that is the invoiced application 3 post for the electrical foreman. Indian Bureau of Mines in the pay level pay band 6. Last date of receipt this application for the post of department is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Please visit his official website http://www.ibm.gov.in for more details. Next vacancy Ministry of Development of NE Northeast Region Council Secretariat Shillong. It is the advertisement for the Northeast 1 post for research officer small scale industry on deputation basis. List of enclosure comes with applications are as follows. If we talk the name of the post, research officer small scale industries. Number of post 1, scale pay 8,000 to 2,700. So friends, pay level will be 10 as per method of recruitment and eligibility on deputation basis or re-employed for armed forces personnel on deputation. Last date of receive this application within the 1 month of this advertisement. Next vacancy from Central Forensic Science Laboratory, Ramnathpuram. It is the filling of one post for SSA in NAA Division CFSL Hyderabad. Central Government Service Group B non-gazetted post is there on deputation basis. So friends, if you want to apply this, apply within the 60 days from the date of these applications. So it is a offline mode applications. So you have to send the applications in the given address. Next vacancy from Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, Budni, MP. Application are invited for the post of stenographer grade 1. Number of vacancies 1. Group and pay, group B post is there and pay level will be 6 as per pay matrix. The last date of this receive application within the 45 days from the date of this publication of advertisement in the employment news. It is offline mode, so you have to send the application on the given address. Next vacancy from Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi. It is the one post application invited for the Deputy Director Technical. 2 vacancies are there. Group A post is there. Non-ministerial pay level will be 13A in the pay matrix. Second post is Deputy Central Intelligence Officer / Tech. 9 vacancies are there. General Central Service Group A, gazetted non-ministerial, pay band 3 and with pay matrix and grade pay 5400. Eligibility deputation including a short term contract. Third number post for Deputy Central Intelligence Officer Tech, telephone, 1 vacancy is there. General Central Service Group A, gazetted, non-gazetted in pay band 3. Grade pay will be 5400. Next vacancy, Senior Research Officer, 2 vacancy. General Central Service Group A post is there. Pay band will be 3. Grade pay is 6600. Pay level will be 11. Educational qualifications is master degree in economics, statistics, business administration and management and commerce from a recognized university. Desirable knowledge of commerce techniques and forecasting productions and available of assessment commodities and estimation of broad economic Ireland. Number 6 post is Research Assistant. Number of vacancies 2. General Control Service Group B post is there. Non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay band will be 2. Grade pay as per pay matrix 4200. Eligibility deputation or absorption basis. Qualifications are relaxable and description in SSC in case of candidate otherwise well qualified is required. Master degree in economics, statistics, business administration and management of commerce from a recognized university or board. Number 7 post is Senior Foreign Language Advisor. Number of vacancies 1. General Center Service Group A post is there. Non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 13A. Eligibility promotion or deputation basis. Recognized research institute, public sector undertaking, working. Number of 8 post is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer. Language 2 vacancies are there. General Central Service Group B is post there. Non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 8 as per pay matrix as per 7 CPC. Possessing the educational qualification and experience, bachelor degree from a foreign language and to be specified at the time of the recruitment. 1 year experience in teaching and translation from a foreign language, English and vice versa is desirable. Number 9 post is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Executive. 56 vacancies are there. General Central Service Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 8 as per pay matrix. Number 10 post is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Executive. 98 vacancies are there. General Central Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 7. Education and possession qualifications are graduation from any recognized university or equivalent, 2 year experience in security or intelligence work, desirable knowledge of computer. Number of 11 vacancies are Junior Intelligence Officer, Executives. Number of vacancies are 13. General Center Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial post is there. Pay level will be 5. Educational qualifications, if we talk, holding analogic post of regular basis of parent, cadre or department. Number 12 number post is personal assistant. 2 vacancies are there. General Center Service Group B is there. Non-gazetted, ministerial, pay band 2 as per 7 CPC. Grade pay will be 4600. Eligibility on deputation basis. Period of deputation including the period of deputation of another ex-cadre post. Number 13 post is accounts officer. Number of vacancies are 3. General Center Service Group B, gazetted ministerial in the pay band 2. Grade pay is 4200 as per pay matrix. Eligibility, promotion on deputation or composite method. Number 14 number vacancies is accountants. Number of vacancies are 24. General Center Service is the Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay band 2, grade pay 4200. Number 15 number vacancies security officer technical. 8 vacancies are there. General Center Service Group A post there, non-ministerial is there, pay band 3, pay level will be 10 and grade pay will be 5400 as per pay matrix. Number 16 number post is assistant security officer technical. 12 vacancies are there. General Center Service Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial in pay band 2 and grade pay is 4800 and pay level will be 7 as per 7 CPC. Number 17 number post are assistant security officer general. 10 vacancies are there. General Center Service Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay band will be 2, 4600 grade pay. Eligibility on deputation basis. Number 18 vacancies are female staff nurse. Number of vacancies 1. Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay band will be 1. Grade pay will be 2800. Number 19 post Junior Intelligence Officer 1 Motor Transport. 21 vacancies are there. General Center Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 5 as per pay matrix. Number 20 vacancies are Junior Intelligence Officer Grade 2 Motor Transport. 31 vacancies are there. General Center Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 4 as per pay matrix and 7 CPC. Number 20 number post is Security Assistant Motor Transport. 20 vacancies are there. General Control Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial. Pay level will be 3 as per pay matrix. Number 20 number post is Car Caretaker. That is 5 vacancies are there. General Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 5, pay matrix as per 7 CPC. Eligibility on deputation basis. Number 23 post is Halwai cum cook. 11 vacancies are there. General Center Service Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial and pay level will be 3 as per 7 CPC. Eligibility, deputation or absorption basis. 24 number post is multitasking staff means MTS. For gunmen 24 vacancies are there. Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial, pay level will be 1 as per 7 CPC. Eligibility, absorption or deputation. So friends, above all these posts, it is offline mode. You have to fill this biodata pro forma for deputations and send it on given address within the prescribed date. For more details, please visit his official website. So friends, with the last date of this for above all these posts is 60 days from the date of issue of this advertisement in the employment newspaper. Next vacancy from Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, New Delhi. It is the post for filling up 2 posts for the staff car driver ordinary grade in Main Secretariat, Ministry of Information System. So friends, essential qualification: possession of valid driving license for motor cars, knowledge of motor mechanism, experience of driving a motor car or at least 3 years experience. Matriculations are equivalent from a recognized board or university. It's essential qualifications. Desirable 3 years service as home guard or civil volunteers. Last date of receipt these applications 30 days from the date of publication of this circulation in the employment news. This is offline. You have to fill this application form for post staff car driver, ordinary grade, and send it on within the prescribed time. Next vacancy in Department of Revenue, Office of Commissioner of Custom. Recruitment notifications there. Application are invited for the Group C post in the Custom Marine Wing in the jurisdiction of Commissioner of Customs, Pune. Name of the post, Engineer Mates. Number of vacancies 1 for SC. Age limit 18 to 30 years. Artisan, number of post 1 for ST, 18 to 30 years age. Tradesman, number of post 1 unreserved, 18 to 25 years. Seaman, number of post 5, 2 unreserved, 1 EWS, 1 OBC or 1 SC, 18 to 25 years. Greaser, number of post 2, 1 for ST, 1 for OBC and 18 to 25 years age. Industrial skilled worker, number of post 3, 3 unreserved, 18 to 25 years. So friends, age relaxation as per government rules and norms. You have to send the applications on the given address. Please visit official website cbic.gov.in for more details. Next vacancy from National Medicine Plant Board, Ministry of Ayush. Applications are invited for the post of Marketing Assistant, number of post 1, classification General Central Service Group B, non-gazetted, non-ministerial post. Pay scale will be 35,400 starting. Pay level 6 as per 7 CPC. So friends, you have to send the applications on the given address within the 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. For more details, please visit his official website ayush.gov.in. Next, information from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. That is, the applications are invited for filling up one post for Executive Engineer Civil in pay level 11 as per pay matrix, and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on deputation basis, for ex-servicemen on re-employed basis. So friends, for more details, please visit his official website meti.gov.in. Next vacancy, Icon International Limited. That is, engagement of apprentices as per Apprenticeship Act 1961. It is the place for various states. Icon's project is there: Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Bihar, Sikkim, J&K, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Tripura and Gujarat. So civil discipline is there and number of seats are 12. Required qualifications: full-time graduate degree engineering technology in concerned branch for institute of or university firm recognized by AICTE. Next is electrical S&T, number of post 4 and 3 each. Age limit for all civil, electrical and S&T is 18 to 30 years. Stipend graduate apprentices 10,000 per month. Total vacancies are there 19. It is for graduate apprentice. For next, technician diploma apprentice, discipline civil, electrical, S&T. Number of vacancies seat are 8, 3 and 2 respectively. Total posts are 13. Essential qualifications required for full-time diploma in engineering, technology in concerned branch and recognized from a university or institute by AICTE. Stipend technician diploma holders 8,000 per month will be given. So friends, last date of online submission of application is 13 September 2021. For more details, please visit Icon's official website icon.org. Next vacancy from Department of Management, University of North Bengal. It is the eligibility. Department of Management invites application for the admission of second year full-time MBA program. So friends, if you want to enroll in the Department of Management University for MBA to full-time, so please visit and apply before 5th September 2021. Next information and vacancies from Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. It is a vacancy circulations. Name of post Agriculture Commissioner. Pay level will be 15 as per pay matrix. Number of post 1. Method of recruitment, deputation including short-term contract basis. So for more details, please visit official website www.agricoup.nic.in in the recruitment section. So it is offline mode. You have to send the applications on the given address within the 45 days of publication of this circulation in the employment newspaper. Next vacancy, CSIR, National Botanical Research Institute, UP, India. Advertisement number 0/2021. Name of post, Junior Secretariat Assistant General. Number of post 5. Pay level will be 2 as per 7 CPC. Essential qualifications for 10+2. Upper age limit is 28 years. Second post is Junior Secretariat and Junior Secretariat Assistant Store and Purchase, Junior Secretariat Assistant Finance and Account, and General. Number of posts 3 and 2 each. Pay level will be 2. And essential qualifications, educational qualifications for Junior Secretariat Assistant General, Finance, Accounts, and Store Purchase for all 10+2 or 12 or its equivalent, and proficiency in computer type speed minimum 35 or 30 word per minute in English. Hindi 30 word per minute and English 35 word per minute respectively. Using a computer as the prescribed norms fixed for DOPT from the time to time. Upper age limit for all these posts is 28 years. So friends, for more details, please visit his official website nbri.res.in. Offline mode application is there. You have to send the applications on the given address within the prescribed date, which is the last date is 30 September 2021 by up to 6 p.m. Next vacancy from Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Notice for extension of last date. It is the employment news. Vacancy is published in 12 to 18 June 2021. So name of the post was Private Secretary. Number of post tentative was 6. Tentative place of posting was Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Hyderabad. Level of pay level 7. So it is the last date is extended. So friends, if you desire and if you are having qualifications, then you can apply for this. For more details, please visit mca.gov.in. The last date has been extended up to 11 September 2021. Next department, again vacancy from Serious Fraud Investigation Officer. That is notice for extension of last date. Again, the 19 to 25 June vacancy is published, circulated. Name of post Deputy Director Forensic Audit. Tentative vacancy was 1 post. Tentative posting was Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Hyderabad. Pay level was level 11. So date has been extended up to 18 September 2021. For more details, please visit mca.gov.in. Again, next vacancy from Serious Fraud Investigation Office. Notice for extension of date, which employment news of 20 to 26 March 2021. Vacancy published of Senior Assistant Director C and CE. Tentative vacancy was 1. So pay level was 10. So date has been extended up to 20 September 2021. For more details, please visit mca.gov.in. Dear subscribers, if you want to see or download any old newspaper, old employment newspaper or previous week's newspaper, you can download from my official YouTube channel Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. There is a vacancy. Playgroup is there. English and Hindi both are separate. Next vacancy from National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency, New Delhi. Applications are invited for the various posts. Posts are like that. Joint Director on deputation basis, number of post 2. Deputy Director, number of post 1. Assistant Director, number of post 1. Senior Consultant Technical, number of post 2. Data Scientist, number of post 1. Product Manager IT, number of post 1. Planning and GIS Lead, number of post 1. Transport Planning Engineering, number of post 1. So friends, if you want to apply above all these posts, please visit his official website, and it is offline mode. Last date of receipt these applications is 12 September 2021. Its official website rural.nic.in under advertisement or tender icon. Next vacancy from Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Department of Agriculture and Farmer. So applications are invited for eligible candidate belonging to the offices under the central government of state government union territories. Name of the post Joint Director Toxicology, number of post 1. Joint Director Chemistry, number of post 8. Joint Director Plant Pathology, number of post 2. Above all these, pay level will be 12. For next, Deputy Director Toxicology, number of post 1. Deputy Director Chemistry, number of post 9. For both posts, pay level will be 11 and pay band will be 3. Next, number 5, Deputy Director Assistant Director Toxicology 1 and Assistant Director Chemistry. For both these posts, pay level will be 10. So friends, if you want to apply above this all these posts, it is offline mode. You have to send the application on the given address. Application will be downloaded from ppqs.gov.in in official website or www.agricoup.nic.in. Within the 60 days from the date of publications of this advertisement, your application should be reached on the given address. Next vacancy from Bankers Institute of Rural Development, BURT. Application are invited for the subject matter specialist. Number of post 3 in banking and finance, IT for bank and climate change. 1 post each. Maximum age 40 years as on 1st January 2021. So friends, last date for this above all these posts is by 28 August 2021. For more details, please visit its official website. Next vacancy from Convergence Energy Service Limited. Recruitment for regular posting at CESL, means Convergence Energy Service Limited. Name of the post, Manager Commercial and B&D on regular basis. Age is 42 years. Essential educational qualifications required: BE, BTech, full-time. Desirable MBA or PGDM. 7 years post relevant executive experience required on post qualifications. Second post, Manager Project Monitoring Cell. Regular positions, 1 unreserved, 42 years, age, BE, BTech, full-time. 7 year relevant executive experience post qualifications. Next, Manager Public Relations. Regular basis, 42 years age, postgraduate degree, postgraduate diploma in mass communications and journalism or advertisement and public relations of 2 years of government of recognized institute or university, full time. 7 year relevant executive experience post qualification. For above all these posts, the last date of submission of online applications is 6 August 2021 to 26 August 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.convergence.co.in. Next vacancy and department from National Book Trust India. Name of post, Joint Director Production. Number of post 1. Deputy Director Art, Regional Manager SRO and Computer Programmer. Number of vacancies each one. Last date for submission of application within the 45 days from date of issue of this advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website nbtindia.gov.in. Next vacancy circulation or employment notice from Foodcraft Institute, Aligarh. Employment notice is that name of that is a post, Senior Lecturer cum Senior Instructor. 1 post which is unreserved. Eligibility and essential qualifications and experience are as follows: graduate from a recognized university, degree 3 years diploma in hotel management from a recognized university, and having at least 50% marks. Desirable qualifications, please refer to the website. So pay band will be 10, age will be 40, and last date of receive this application by 10 September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website foodcraftindia.aligarh.com. Next vacancy circulation from Government of India, Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs. Filling up the post of the whole-time member in the Securities and Exchange Board of India. So friends, last date for these applications, it is offline mode. You have to send the application on the given address by 2 September, and means 2nd September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.dea.gov.in in vacancy circulation section. Next vacancy from National Atmospheric Research Laboratory, Gandaki. It is a cancellation of recruitment process which was Junior Research Fellow, wide advertisement number 11 March 2020. Next vacancy and information from All India Institute of Medical Science, Mangalgiri, Andhra Pradesh. Vacancies are invited for the professional cum principal. Professor cum principal, Group A post is there, pay level 13, number of post 1 unreserved. Essential qualification for professor cum as principal, master degree in nursing with advanced specialization in nursing. Must be recognized in nurse as a midwife, 10 years experience in nursing field after registration of a nurse. Upper age limit 55 years. Second number post is lecturer, assistant professor, group A post is there, pay level 11, post 5 unreserved, 4 OBC1. Essential qualification for lecturer, assistant professor, master degree in nursing from a recognized university, registered nurse midwife, 5 years experience with a minimum 2 years teaching experience in nursing. Upper age limit 50 years. So last date of receipt these applications by 14 September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website. Next vacancy and department from Government of India, Ministry of Power. Notice for extension of last date of receipt of applications. So in reference of the advertisement number, post in member secretary in Damodar Valley Corporation's DVC, published in Weekly Employment newspaper dated 3rd July 2021. So last date is extended. Please visit his official website dvc.gov.in. Next vacancy from Bureau of Indian Standards. Name of the post is secretary, pay level 12, number of post 1, place of posting Delhi. Second post is director legal, pay level 12, number of post 1, place of posting and vacancies New Delhi. So friends, last date of receipt of this application for both post secretary and director legal is 21 days from the date of release of this advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website bis.gov.in. Next vacancy from Union Bank of India. That is the Union Bank Recruitment Project 2021 Specialist Officers Recruitment Notifications. Name of post Senior Manager Risk. Number of vacancies 60. Manager Risk, number of post 60. Manager Civil Engineer, number of post 7. Manager Architect, number of post 7. Manager Electrical Engineer, number of post 2. Manager Printing Technologist, number of post 1. Manager Forex, number of post 50. Manager Chartered Accountant, number of post 14. Assistant Manager Technical Officer, number of post 26. Assistant Manager Forex, number of post 120. Reservist post Senior Managers, like that you can check. If we talk about the important dates, start of submitting online applications by 12 August 2021. Last date of submitting online applications and payment fees and information charges, intimation charges by 3rd September 2021. Please visit his official website unionbankofindia.co.in for more details. Next vacancy, and huge vacancy and most awaited vacancy from Bharatiya Vayu Sena, means Indian Air Force. Direct recruitment of Group C civilian post in Indian Air Force, advertised number 4/2021/DR, means direct recruitment. Applications are invited for eligible Indian citizens for the recruitment of following Group C civilian posts at various Air Force stations, units and headquarters mentioned below. The eligible candidate may address their application to the concerned stations and units. The details are given. So friends, if you want to apply for the carpenter SK in the Air Force Air Officer commanding Air Force Station Agra UP, then you have to send the application this post on Headquarters Central Air Command Air Force. This address is given is there, which is Air Officer Commanding Air Force. So like that, each vacancy is related, you have to send the concerned address only, which is given in the postal address in the column. So applications are invited for the post of Carpenter, SK, MTS, HKs for various commands. For Air Commanding, that is Headquarters Central Air Commands, Headquarters Southern Air Commands, Headquarters Training Command Air Force, Headquarters Western Air Commands. For the post of LDC, MTS, LDC, Cook, HKS, MTS, LDC, LDC, HKS, MTS, LDC, Storekeeper, MTS, Cook. So friends, if you want to apply this above all these posts, age limit is kept 18 to 25 years. If we talk about the educational qualifications and skill for each post, Superintendent Store, Pay level will be 4. Essential qualifications: graduate of a recognized university or equivalent. Desirable experience in handling stores, keeping accounts in a store concerned of repute, public or private sector. Second post is lower division clerk, LDC. Pay level will be 2. Essential qualifications: 12th pass from a recognized board, or typing speed 35 word per minute in English or 30 word per minute in Hindi. Computer 35 word per minute, 30 word per minute in correspond to, which is given in on an average of 5 keys depreciations of each words. Storekeeper post, pay level 2. Essential qualifications: 12th class and equivalent. Desirable experience in handling stores. Number post 4. Cook ordinary grade, pay level 2 as per PAS 7 matrix CPC. Essential qualifications: matriculations from a recognized board or with a certificate diploma in catering. 1 year experience in trade. Fifth number post is painter, skilled. Pay level will be 2. Essential qualifications: 10 pass from a recognized board or institute, and industrial training IT certificate is required. For carpenter skilled, pay level 2, 10 pass from recognized board, industrial training institute certificate, IT certificate required. And ex-serviceman appropriate trade which carpenter rigs. 7 number post, housekeeping staff. HKS means housekeeping staff. Pay level 1, matriculation pass or equivalent from a recognized board. Mess staff, pay level 1. Essential qualifications: pass or equivalent from recognized board. Desirable 1 year experience is waiter, washer up or organization or institute. Last post 9, multitasking staff, that is the MTS, pay level 1. Essential matriculations pass. Desirable 1 year experience or watchman, Alaska, Genster, operator or gardener from a recognized organization or institute. So friends, last date for above all these posts is last date receipt of application form is 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news paper or Rozgar Samachar. So how to apply? Eligible candidate can apply above Air Force stations subject to the vacancies and qualifications. Applications are given format under the typed English, so it is offline. You have to send the applications within the 30 days respective commands. Like if you want to apply for MTS for headquarter air commands, so you have to send the application to the headquarter air commands only. So performa is given is that you have to type it in Hindi or English. It is given in English, so better you type in English and send it, fill it carefully and attach all the relevant document, essential IT certificate, your Aadhaar card, your birth certificates, your essential educational qualification certificates and other experience certificates, and send it to the respective commands for the post, and write on the application for the post of which application post you have to apply and for which unit you want to apply. Next vacancy from Defense Research and Development Organization. Walk-in interview positions on Research Associate and Junior Research Fellow, that is Kanpur. Research Associationship, number of posts 1. Subject and discipline is chemistry. Essential qualifications for Research Associateship for chemistry, PhD or equivalent degree in relevant discipline from a recognized university. Second number post is Junior Research Fellowship. Number of post 1. Subject and discipline is chemistry. Qualification: postgraduate degree in relevant discipline and NET qualifications. For the both Junior Research Associate and Junior Research Fellowship, date and time for equivalent, that is 15 September 2021 on Wednesday 0900 hours. For the post of third number post, Junior Research Fellowship and Junior Research Fellowship for one post is in chemical engineering or mechanical engineering. Essential qualifications for chemical engineering or mechanical engineering: graduate degree in professional course, BE, BTech in relevant discipline in first division with NET or GET, or postgraduate diploma in professional courses, ME and MTech. Date and time of interview for 16 September 2021 on Thursday 0900 hours for both chemical engineering or mechanical engineering Junior Research Fellowship. So offline mode you have to apply. You have to, application format is given. You have to type it in the same format and fill it carefully and send it to the given address. Next vacancy from Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Vacancy circulation is there for the Additional Commissioner Integrated Nutrients Management. Number of post 1. Method of recruitment is composite method on deputation basis. For more details, please visit his official website agricoop.nic.in in the recruitment section. It is offline mode. You have to send the applications within the 60 days from the publication of circulation in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar Patra. Next vacancy from Central Information Commission. It is an advertisement for filling up the post for Under Secretary and Deputation, including short-term contract basis for Hindi translator. So friends, Hindi translators, that is the Central Information Commissions, have invited applications. So last date for the apply for Hindi translator is 45 days from the date of this publication in the advertisement in the Employment News. For more details, please visit his official website cic.gov.in. Next vacancy and department, Indian National Center of Ocean Information Service, INCOIS, Government of India, Hyderabad. Application are invited, deputation including short-term contract basis for Scientist C, one post, pay level 11, age limit 56 years. For more details, please visit incols.gov.in in vacancy circulation section, and last date of submission of online application is September 24, 2021 by 0500 pm. So by 5 pm, by 24 September, you have to apply. Next vacancy and department from National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited. It is a vacancy notice. It is for the post of General Manager Electrical, Additional General Manager. Number of posts, each one unreserved, maximum age 50 years. Essential qualification for General Manager Electrical and Additional General Manager Electrical is BE or BTech, Electrical or its equivalent. Maximum experience required for General Manager Electrical is 16 years and Additional General Manager Electrical 12 years. Last date of issue of this application will be 20 days from the date of this issue of vacancy circulation in the Employment News. For more details, please visit ncrtc.in. Next vacancy and circulation from Apprenticeship Training School, Naval Shipyard, Repair Yard, Naval Base, Cochin. Naval enrollment for apprenticeship training in designated trades. So trades are like that. This is 1 year training and 230 vacancies as per trade distribution shows in the table. So computer operator and programming assistant COPA, that is 20 vacancy, electrician 18 vacancy, electronic mechanic 5, fitter 13, machinist 6, mechanical motor driver 5, mechanic refrigeration and air cooling MRAC, that is 5, plumber number 5, 6, welder gas and electrical 8, instrument mechanic number of post 3, foundryman number of post 1, sheetal metal worker 11, electrical winder 5, cable joiner 2, secretariat assistant 2, electroplater number 6, plumber 6, furniture and cabinet maker 7, mechanical machine diesel or mechanical diesel 17, marine diesel 1, marine engine fitter 5, tailor, shipwright, pipe, rigger, shipwright, mechanic 4 or 5 each vacancies. Tools and die maker, press node number of vacancies 1, and CNC programmer cum operator number post 1, painter, welder, pump operator, painting machines, electrical aircraft number of vacancies 5 each. Painter marine have vacancies, that is the 2. Total vacancies are 230. So friends, you have to fill this performa, type it in this same format and fill it carefully and attach all the relevant document and send it on the given address by 1st October 2021, which is in Kochi, Kerala, Naval Base. Next vacancy from Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs, North Block, New Delhi. It is the for filling up 5 posts for Economic Officer in Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs on deputation basis only. So friends, it is also offline mode. You have to send the fill the performa. If we talk about the more details about this vacancy, name of post Economic Officer, number of post 5, classification General Central Service Group B, gazetted non-ministerial, pay scale pay band 2 and 4600 grade pay as per civil CPC. Deputation basis period 5 years. Eligibility is master degree in economics or applied economics or business economic or econometrics and by a recognized university or institute. So you have to fill this performa and send it on the given address within the due date. Next vacancy from National Investigation Agency, Ministry of Home Affairs. That is a notice for deputation NIS based sub-inspector and assistant sub-inspector. Sub-inspector pay scale will be 6, number of vacancies 35. Proposed place of posting depending Delhi, Mumbai, Guwahati, Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Jammu, Raipur, Chandigarh, Chennai, Ranchi and Imphal. Second post is assistant sub-inspector, pay scale will be 5, number of posts 28 vacancies. So friends, for more details please visit his official website nia.gov.in recruitment section for more details. You have to fill the applications within the prescribed date, means 30 days from the date of this publication in the employment news. Next vacancy, Saha Institute Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. It is a recruitment of faculty positions from. Please visit his official website saha.ac.in for this recruitment positions. Application last date is 15 September 2021. Next vacancy from Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Applications are invited for the one post for Chief Civil Hydrographic Officer Group A gazetted in pay level 13 as per 7 CPC. For the Headquarters Ministry of Defence, Navy by composite method of deputation basis. So friends, you have to send the applications in the New Delhi on headquarters of Ministry of Defence, Navy within the 60 days from the issue of this advertisement. This is the biodata, vitae pro forma. You have to send the applications, fill these carefully, attach all the requisite document and send it within the 60 days on Naval Headquarters, Delhi. Next vacancy from Government of India, Ministry of Defence, Central Ammunition Depot, Palgaon. It is a curriculum change of vacancies. Already vacancies have been published, employment news number 3rd to 9 July 2021. Now post has been changed. Only one post they have changed in the, that is the teller, like junior office assistant 8, they have did 4. They have reduced the vacancies. Fireman 3, they changes 2. Tradesman 8, tradesman read 4. Vehicle mechanic 1, you have to read vehicle mechanic, they have removed the vacancies. Teller 1, teller 1. So you have to read, this is a amendment in the vacancies post. Next vacancy from direct recruitment of Group C civilian post in Indian Air Force. So in the office of the recruitment notice published in the employment news 24 to 30 July, Group C civilian post. So you have to read this lower division clerk, LDC, Air Force Command like this. It is ex-serviceman vacancies have been increased. So PW also one post is increased. So this is the amendment in the again vacancies. Next vacancy from Department of Posts, Office of the Manager, Mall Motor Service. Public notice for recruitment. Application are invited for eligibility candidate filling up 11 vacancies of Star Car Driver. For Star Car Driver, last date of receipt this application by 20 September 2021. For more details, please visit indiapost.gov.in or punjabpostcircle.gov.in for more details. Next department and vacancy from Aryabhatta Research Institute, Observational Science, ARISE. That is name of post, personal assistant, pay level 6, 30 years, number of post 1. Engineering assistant, number of post 2. Junior engineering assistant, number of post 4. Junior scientific assistant, number of post 2. Multitasking staff, number of post 2. For more details, please visit his official website www.arise.res.in. Last date of submission of online application is by 24 September 2021. Next vacancy from Cabinet Secretariat, National Authority Chemical Weapon Convention, New Delhi. It is a filling a post for technical officer in NACWC Cabinet Secretariat on the deputation basis only. Last date, and for more details please visit his official website nacwc.nic.in, and last date is 3rd October 2021. Next vacancy in department from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. It is vacancies for non-teaching recruitment. Advertisement number 02/2021. Online applications are invited on the prescribed format from non-teaching post, IIT, Allahabad. Name of post, registrar. Number of post vacancies are 1. Deputy Registrar, number of post 1. For advertisement number 01/2000, that is the Junior Tech Superintendent, number of post 1. Junior Superintendent, number of post 1. Junior Engineer Civil, number of post 1. Junior Assistant, number of post 2. For above all these posts, application field application is reached by 24 September 2021. For more details, please visit your official website iita.ac.in. Next vacancy, an employment news from Sachivalay Prashikshan, means Institute of Secretariat Training and Management. Application are invited for filling up 3 faculty posts for Deputy Director Management Service. Deputy Director Management, number of post 3, pay scale 11, pay band 3. Last date within the 60 days from the date of this publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Offline mode is there. You have to send the application on the given address. Next post is for the Office of Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Bhubaneswar. Name of post, Inspector of Income Tax, number of vacancies 3, pay level 7. Tax Assistant, number of vacancies 7, pay band, pay level 4. Stenographer grade 2, number of post 1, pay level 4. Multitasking staff, number of vacancies 4, pay level 1. Last date is by 30 September 2021. And for Northeast, by 15 October 2021, your application should be reached on the given address. It is offline mode. Next vacancy is circulation from Ministry of Home Affairs, Directorate of Forensic Science and Service circulation. This is Senior Scientific Officer Grade 1 Forensic Science. Please visit his official website dfs.nic.in for more details. Within the 2 months from the date of issues of notice, you have to apply. Next vacancy in department from direct recruitment for the multitasking staff MTS and civil motor driver CMD at Army Recruitment Office, Gopalpur Military Station. So friends, speed post, your application should be sent by speed post or registered post or normal post. Only from Indian male citizens by Director Recruitment Army is given on the given address. Name of post, civil motor driver, ordinary grade CMD. Name of post, number of post 1, age 18 to 27, 40 years, government employees, reserved general category, pay level 2. Essential qualifications for civil motor driver, ordinary grade, matriculation or equivalent from a recognized board, civilian driving license, heavy and light both, and 2 years experience certificate. Name of post, multitasking staff MTS, number of post 1, 18 to 28 years, 35 years for government employees, and basic pay level will be 1, matriculation or equivalent from a recognized board. So friends, it is offline mode applications. Within the 21 days, within the which is proforma is given, you have to fill it carefully and send it on given address, which is Army, Gopalpur, Odisha. Within the 21 days, your application should be reached. Next vacancy from Department of Chemistry, University of Delhi, North Campus. Application are invited for the post of 1 Junior Research Fellow, fellowship for 3 years. Last date 21 days from the date of this publications for the Junior Research Fellowship. Next department, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, means TRAI. Filling up the post for post of assistant in TRAI headquarters, New Delhi. So name of post is assistant. Pay band 6. As per 7 CPC, grade pay will be 4200. Last date receive these applications is extended here by 10th September 2021. For more details, please visit his official website try.gov.in. Next vacancy and huge vacancies from Naval Ship Repair Yard, Port Blair. Recruitment of tradesmen skills. Online applications will be accepted only. Written exams for tradesmen skill will be held in the Port Blair and Visakhapatnam. Ex-naval dockyard apprentices are only eligible to apply for this post. So friends, if any ex-naval dockyard apprentices are only eligible for applying this post, no apprentices from the open market are eligible to apply. No interview will be held for the recruitment. So friends, name of the post, tradesman skill. Ex-serviceman 30, VH3, HH3, OH3 and DNE, that is 3. Total posts are 302. Machinist 16, plumber, painter 7, tailor 6, welder 20, mechanic 7, welder 3, sheet metal worker 1, non-designated trade electronics mechanic, computer fitter 5, electronic fitter 12, radar fitter 9, radar fitter 7. So friends, vacancies are for all these: machinist, pipe fitter, painter, tailor, welder, sea filters, sheet metals, computer fitter, gyro fitters, engine fitters, weapon fitters, ice fitters, MT fitters, plotters, leggers, riggers, shipwright and sonar fitter. So friends, all these applications, essential qualifications for all these posts is matriculations or equivalent from a recognized institute or board, or knowledge of English, should have completed apprenticeship training in the trade, or mechanic or equivalent with 2 years regular service in the appropriate technical branch of the Army, Navy and Air Force. Relaxation in the qualification is at the description and appointing authority in case of candidate otherwise well qualified required. So friends, on the relative trades, you have your matriculations with, you should have a diploma degree on the ITA trade certificate you have to complete it. Age relaxations as per the government rules. Last date of this application is within the 50 days or 60 days from the date of publications of advertisement in the newspaper. So friends, within the 50 days you have to apply for above all these posts. Written examination will be conducted. Examination schedule will be like that: general intelligence 13 maximum marks, general English 10, numerical aptitude 20 and awareness traits 40. Total 100 marks exam will be conducted. So friends, if we talk about the important dates, opening date from the date of notification published means 21st August 2021. Closing date 50 days from the date of publications in advertisement in the employment news. Next vacancy in department Sampurnanand Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya Varanasi. Application are invited for the post of following vacancies: आधुनिक भाषा संस्कृत विज्ञान means English, German, Tibetan, Nepali, प्राचीन फारसी, French, भाषा विज्ञान Latin, लैंग्वेज साइंस स्ट्रक्चर रूसी, हिंदी. जैन दर्शन विभाग, ज्योतिष विभाग, तुलनात्मक दर्शन विभाग, दर्शन शास्त्र, धर्म दर्शन शास्त्र, न्याय वैश्विक, बौद्ध दर्शन विभाग, विज्ञान विभाग, वेदांत विभाग, व्याकरण विभाग, शिक्षा शास्त्र विभाग, संस्कृत विद्या विभाग, संख्यात्मक. फॉर ऑल दिस टीचिंग स्टाफ्स ऑन पुस्तकालय, सहायक पुस्तकालय विभाग, साहित्य विभाग, संगीत गायन, संगीत कला, संगीत विस्तार. So friends, if you want to apply this in this institute or Vishwavidyalaya by 15 September 2021, your application should be reached. For more details, please visit his official website ssvv.ac.in. Next vacancy in department from Career Opportunity in Growing Organization SJVN Limited, a joint venture of Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh. So friends, this was the Employment News Weekly, New Delhi, 27 August 2021. See you next week, Employment Newspaper. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.